Google just made NotebookLM significantly more powerful. Most people scrolled right past it, but for freelancers, consultants, and content operators, this changes your workflow. The tool is still free, the ceiling just got higher, and the barrier just got lower. If you have been sleeping on NotebookLM up until now, today is the day that changes. Hey, my name is Paul James. I create content for freelancers and solo operators. I focus on small agency owners who want to grow income using free AI tools. The goal here is always the same. Find a leverage before everyone else catches on. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is the problem that kills most knowledge-based service businesses. You do research in one place. You take notes somewhere else. You have conversations about your findings in a third tool. By the time you deliver work to a client, your insights are scattered. Nothing connects, nothing compounds. You rebuild context from scratch on every new project. That friction costs you time, quality, and momentum. The harder you work, the more you feel like you are starting over. You end a great research session and close the tab. The next day, half of what you figured out is gone. You wrote it somewhere, but you cannot find it. You remember the conclusion, but not the reasoning. That gap is exactly where most freelancers stay stuck. The work you do and the work you can actually use are two different things. Most professionals accept that as the cost of doing research. They have no system for making their thinking compound. Every session starts from zero. Every deliverable takes longer than it should. Clients sense when your work lacks depth. They just cannot name why. That is the problem these NotebookLM updates were built to eliminate. The framework I want to use here is something I call the sealed knowledge loop. The idea is simple. Your sources go in, your conversations build on them. Your deliverables come out polished and professional. Nothing leaks out without your permission. Everything stays sealed, private, and compounding. Each session you put into it builds on the last one. That is the shift. You stop losing work and start stacking it. You stop feeling scattered and start feeling like you have a real system behind you. Think of it like building a permanent workspace that remembers everything you ever figured out. That is what NotebookLM just became. Let me break down the 4 specific updates and show you how that plays out. The first one sounds like a cosmetic change, but it is not. You can now upload a cover image for any notebook inside NotebookLM. You can also set a custom title and write a summary describing the project scope. Here is where things get wild. Think about what that means for client-facing work. You are no longer handing someone a generic AI chat window. You upload the client's logo as the cover image. You name the notebook after their specific project. You write a short summary framing what the work covers. The whole thing looks intentional before they read a single word. That presentation signals expertise before you explain a single insight. It also sets the tone for the entire client relationship. Clients who receive organized, intentional-looking work already feel like they made the right call. That happens before they even read your analysis. First impressions inside a notebook matter just as much as first impressions anywhere else. Most people never realize this part. Perceived value is a real variable in what clients pay. The visual presentation of your work directly affects your invoice. NotebookLM now gives you that professional layer at zero cost. The second update is where the sealed knowledge loop earns its name. Google connected NotebookLM to Gemini in a bidirectional way. Here is what that means in plain terms. When you open a notebook inside Gemini and start talking, every exchange saves back automatically. You are not manually copying insights or exporting anything. You just ask questions. The system archives your thinking in real time. Your conversations become part of the knowledge base as they happen. This is where everything clicks. Every question you ask inside that notebook is doing 2 things at once. It gets you an answer in the moment. It also builds a documented record of your research process. Over weeks of active use, that notebook becomes dense with layered intelligence. It holds what you asked, what the sources said, and how your understanding evolved. That is a compounding research asset. The more you use it, the smarter your deliverables become. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. Those Gemini conversation records do not reduce your notebook source allowance at all. The system stores those exchanges in a separate bucket. You can have as many research conversations as any project demands. There is no ceiling on that. The conversations accumulate and cost you nothing extra. You never have to choose between depth and storage. That might sound like a small thing until you are 40 questions deep into a research session. When you know there is no limit coming, you ask better questions, you follow threads longer, the quality of your research goes up because the ceiling is gone. The third update is the one that stops professionals from committing to any AI research tool. When you load sources into a NotebookLM notebook, those sources stay out of Google's training pipeline. That protection existed before these updates. A question comes up naturally once Gemini can reach into your notebooks. Does that privacy layer still apply? The answer is yes. Those conversation records inside the Gemini integration are also exempt from training. Your client's competitive data stays out of any public system. Your proprietary analysis does too. Your strategic frameworks stay yours. I remember building a business from my brother's garage with no budget for software. Something this capable in private being completely free was hard to imagine back then. That is the kind of leverage I built this whole channel around. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me walk you through what this looks like in a real scenario. Say you are a freelancer working with a fitness studio on their local competition strategy. The client wants to understand what the top gyms in their market are doing to retain members. You pull in competitor website content, membership page copy, and local review patterns. You load all of that into a NotebookLM notebook. You brand it with the studio's logo and name it after the project. Then you open it inside Gemini and start asking questions. You ask about retention language patterns in the reviews. You ask about pricing signals across the competitors. You dig into what the best performing gyms emphasize that weaker ones miss. Every answer feeds back into the notebook automatically. After several working sessions, you have a living research document packed with organized intelligence. You pull the key insights, write a clean briefing document, and deliver it. The client receives a branded, structured output. They have no idea the entire research infrastructure cost you nothing. That is the sealed knowledge loop producing real deliverable value. And the client is likely to come back because the output felt like it required real expertise. That is how a free tool turns into a recurring retainer. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The fourth update removes the last real barrier for most people. The full connected system between Gemini and NotebookLM is opening up to free accounts. Previously, it sat behind a paid Google subscription. Now anyone can access this research infrastructure at no cost. There is no paywall between you and a professional grade knowledge system. That means the playing field just got leveled for anyone willing to put in the work. Think about what that means. If you are just starting out, you now have access to the same research infrastructure as someone running a full agency. The only difference is the time you invest in learning how to use it. That is a gap you can close fast. This is where your income opportunity lives. Local businesses need someone to make sense of information they cannot process themselves. Real estate brokers need market intelligence. Fitness studios need competitor content breakdowns. Contractors need to understand what separates the top operators in their area. Dental practices need to know what their competitors are saying online. You build NotebookLM research systems on the back end. You deliver clean branded strategy briefs on the front end. The tool costs nothing. Your thinking is what they pay for. If you create content, this workflow changes how fast you can produce. You always have a source of truth behind every piece you publish. No more wondering if you already covered something. No more digging through old tabs trying to find where you read a stat. Your entire research history lives in one organized, searchable private system. Every research session adds to your knowledge infrastructure. The more conversations you have inside your notebooks, the deeper the base gets. Your output gets sharper because your research is always organized and ready to access. Imagine your next 30 days. You have a sealed knowledge loop running behind every project you take on. Every client deliverable starts from a stronger foundation. Every piece of content draws from a richer well. Every research hour compounds into an asset. You can access it, build on it, and profit from it over and over again. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income.